We are here on Arlong on Hayling Island, in England. No drastic changes this time. We are having fun putting together something amazing like a puzzle. This is a swivel for the Jeep, a clever rotating element that makes it easy to fare the front sail on the foresail. Here it is. The lower part of the swivel doesn't look any easier, even though it's cleaned up and shining nicely. I still have to reassemble the bearing, placing each little ball one by one, like Cinderella. Each one is 6 mm and there are 114 of them in total. Yeah, I do love playing with little balls. Paul is putting the sail feeder in place. This small part helps guide the sail into the groove in the luff extrusion, so we can hoist the Jeep smoothly without snags. Of course, it doesn't just slide in easily.
It says just install this. This is supposed to be assembled on a workbench somewhere, you know.
Now we're connecting the entire foresail to the boom. Well, technically this boom is called balustron, but it's just easier for us to call it a boom. This air-ripped setup has the mainsail and Jeep mounted on the same rotating structure, so they move together as one unit. Unlike the conventional boat, the foresail isn't attached to the bow, but to the boom itself. Pretty cool, right?
Dry assemble this once, and then if it works, then we'll put thread lock on here. And then fix this in here. Men to me, bring this to me.
Now we are assembling all the components to complete the Jeep fairing system. The upper swivel has been slid up the luff extrusion. The sail feeder is installed and the complete lower swivel is in place. Now we just need to connect the lower end, but there is a problem. The wire inside the luff extrusion, which tensions the whole system, was slightly shortened because its end was damaged. So now we need a stainless steel link plate to make up the difference. We couldn't measure for this until today, so for now we'll use a soft shackle as a temporary fix while we source a proper link plate. The final puzzle piece in the setup, the rope drum. The whole thing is a smart device to make furling the Jeep easier. The furling line turns the drum while the sail wraps neatly around the foresail with the help of the swivel, as we know. Even though a roller furler is a simple piece of equipment, it consists of many components, kind of like our version of Lego. In the end, it should look like this, so let's go to work. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, hoisting the Jeep.
aren't they?
Our stairs aren't new. You could even say they're kinda old, but they haven't been used much and are in good condition for what we need right now. Replacing them, yeah, that's in the plans. The distant plans. What really matters is that the Jeep goes up smoothly. The serve feeder beautifully guides the board drop into the left groove. The swivels, after being cleaned, greased and reassembled, do their job perfectly. The fairy drum spins freely, no snags, no resistance. Looks like we are pretty good at this, huh? That's it for today. More details and schematic are in the description below. See you next time. Bye!